Welcome to AmeenAcademy.com. Let us do Tamil Nadu Higher Secondary Second Year Maths Textbook 2, Exercise 7.2, Question number 7. A beacon makes one revolution every 10 seconds. It is located on a ship which is anchored 5 kilometers from the straight shore line. How fast is the beam moving along the shore line when it makes an angle 45 degree with the shore? Here, since the beacon makes one revolution 360 degree in 10 seconds, beacon makes one revolution that is 360 degree in 10 seconds. Therefore, we can say here let it be here 45 degree, here x meter A and B. D theta by dt, change in theta with respect to time is 2 pi is 360 degree over time is 10 seconds, that is pi by 5 radian per second, change of angle with respect to time. Let AB, distance AB is x. From that we can say tan theta equal x over, here this is 5 kilometer, x over 5, which gives x equal 5 tan theta. We know that velocity is dx by dt. dx by dt, here differentiating one, suppose we are having let it be here 1, we are differentiating with respect to 1 with respect to that means we know that velocity is dx by dt, that means differentiating 1 with respect to time, that is time dx by dt, that is velocity equal, here dx by dt equal to 5 secant square theta, but it is in terms of theta, but we have to differentiate with respect to time, so d theta by dt. Now 5 use secant square at 45 degrees into d theta by dt is pi by 5. Now therefore dx by dt, we can say 5 secant squared 45, that is cos squared 45 is 1 by root 2, so it is root 2, that's square 5 by 5, that 5 and 5 cut, and root 2 square is 2, that is 2 pi, so 2 pi kilometer per second the beam spreads. Now question number 8. A conical water tank with vertex down of 12 meters high has a radius of 5 meters at the top. If the water flows into the tank at a rate of 10 cubic meter per minute, how fast is the depth of the water increases when water is 8 meters deep? Here, this radius is 5 meter. Here, this total height is 12 meter. Let this half angle is alpha, vertex angle. Now, look at this condition now given. H, total height is 12 meter. Radius of the cone is 5 meter. Let V be the volume equal to volume of the cone. Volume of the cone with alpha and volume of the cone and alpha equal semi-vertical angle. Semi-vertex angle, semi-vertical angle. Semi-vertical angle of the cone. Now, we know that from the geometry of the figure, tan alpha equal OA, let it be, this is V, the point is O, OA opposite by then OV, OA by VO, which is equal OA equal 5 over 12, which is equal R over H. Now from this relation we can get 12R equal 5H. 12R equal 5H. From that we can get it R 5 over 12H. Now we know that volume of cone V equal 1 by 3 pi R squared H. So further 1 by 3 pi is a constant and R is in terms of H is 5 over 12 H, that square, and another H, which is equal 1 by 3 pi is 25 H over 144, which H squared. Therefore total equal 1 by 3 pi, in order we'll write V equal therefore 25 H cube over H cube, 25 pi H cube over 3 into 144. This is a V in terms of H. Now differentiating with respect to T, then dV by dt we have dV by dt is, so the constants are 25 pi over 3 into 144 H squared into 3 also here because 3H squared equal, write clearly, 3 into 25 pi H squared because H cube is 3H squared and 3 into 144, 13 cut. So this now the condition is we have to find water flow into the tank at the rate 10 cubic meter per minute, that is dV by dt equal to 10, given is 25 pi h squared over 144. And here, because we are this dV in terms of h, but we have to differentiate with respect to t, so dh by dt we have to into dh by dt. Now given h equal to 8 dV by dt equal to 10 meter cube per minute, from that we have to find dh by dt. From this condition, dh by dt is 10 into 144 over 25 pi h squared. We will substitute the value. 10 into 144 over 25 pi h is 8, that is 8 square. So we have, this is 2 times, this is 5 times, and final calculation will get it 8. This is after 2 into 144 over 5 pi into 64, it is 32, and further calculation will get, so dh by dt will give little space for this. Now dh by dt, it gives final calculation 9 over 10 pi meter per minute, which means here how fast is the depth of the water increases when water is 8 meters deep. That is how fast the of the water increases is 9 over 10 pi meter per minute at h equal to 8 meter deep. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.